But you see there is a head right here, a big head. Look at the eyes, reptilian eyes, right under that thing. See that head right there, right under that thing. And look, by itself, it looks super strange. But then you see this other weird-ass vehicle right there. There's another one right there, and then another one up here. I mean, it's just amazing, man, how little people they keep looking for shit on the moon, and no, man, they're everywhere. You should look the entire solar system. Imagine, there are about 180 moons. They have found about 8 more moons around Jupiter and Uranus, Neptune. They keep finding moons. In fact, around Pluto, Pluto has a bunch of moons that I never heard of. And when I look it up, the moons are no moons, they're cylindrical objects. I saw about 5 of them in an image. So, that must be the moon Enceladus, which is the most active moon. Europa Enceladus, that's on sector 6. See the tubes? And these are different images. Well, the same type of, look, the same thing is happening here. Look how the objects, which are the same one that you see in Enceladus, other images, you see the same thing. These are from, I don't know if it's from Voyager or from Hubble, I'm not sure, but like I said, this work was done by Italian explorer. I'm just borrowing the images to show my theory that the universe is all corridors, electromagnetic corridors that go everywhere and every direction, and these entities use those corridors to appear in another side of the universe in an instant. They not like 10,000 years pass by from here to there at the speed of light. No. 0 point time, 0 energy. They don't waste no energy. They just have so much power, but it's because they use a different type of physics. Tesla knew about all of this in 1892. Look, there's the pair of eyes right there, very clearly. Look right there. The camera sees it right there. The eye, the vertical pupil. The other eye, the vertical pupil right there. I mean, you'll imagine how big that face is when the moon is over there and that face is like 10 times bigger than that thing, and there's another face right here, but it's only like projections. And look, the tube right there is sticking out of those supposed to be whatever heads. There's a pair of eyes right here. Boom. Look, a pair of eyes right there. You cannot deny me that those are a pair of eyes. It's just that, like I say, it's hard for people to grasp this shit. And look, it's two faces right there. One is almost a profile. I mean, the camera catches it perfectly. Look, right here, this is a profile of it's like a dinosaur looking thing. And then there is this another eye here. I mean, and then you see these tubes or columns going. Like I say, those tubes have to be corridors, electromagnetic corridors that, you know, these people uses to transfer their masses for extreme long distances in no time. Only the military-industrial complex knows about that type of physics. See how it's getting brighter and brighter because there's a gamma burst from the electromagnetic energy that these entities use in their vehicles. And see how it illuminates the corridors and everything, but in a fraction of a second. Look how long it lasts. Boom. So this is the F ring. Look at this object that is going to appear up here. At the corner, left up corner, right up here. And then you're going to see an electromagnetic wave passing through the F ring, and this little little white dots, they're going to move up to the other side of the ring. This is the F ring. Check this out, look what happened. See how it keeps going, boom, flashing and flashing, and then look what happened, boom. There's the object right there. It looks like a big old bolt. And then you see the wave. Look at the wave, the electromagnetic wave that passed through the whole thing. See? Boom, it went across the ring. And then this white object is still there. This white object right here. And you can see in the background there are all these structures and things. It's like looking into a world or something, the electromagnetic world, I guess. I don't know what type of camera they were using with this one, but it sure caught the whole thing. Look, another wave. Bang, and there is a little object right up here. Boom. It's just that few people pay attention and study this phenomena. I've been seeing this for 11 years now. I've been looking and finding the same thing everywhere. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Moon, Earth. Look, there's another wave passing right there. That's the signature. And the ring even projects like three tubular energetic something. There's a pair of eyes right there on top of the ring. I mean, you can hardly see them, but if you look, you stare at it for a while, you see the eyes perfectly right there. Boom. One here, then another pair of eyes here. Another one down there. It's just amazing, man. This is just weird shit, but see how the brightness increase and bang. Check it out, in fast sequence. The object went, the wave started, and you see like a dinosaur looking face right there in the corner. See a pair of eyes, big eyes with reptile pupils. And you see this whole bunch of structures in blue color. The space is not black and all that bullshit that is void or whatever. The space is filled with all kinds of energy. Look at these bursts of energy right here. And then the electromagnetic vehicle, that one is gigantic. And all these are all vehicles too, all of them. Thousands upon thousands of vehicles. And then you see those eyes right there where the jets of energy are. You can see those eyes too. That's the electromagnetic vehicle. And look at what I was saying, the columns, all the look, the object has holes on the sides to spew emissions. That's how they make the rings. And they do all kinds of stuff. Those are the gardeners of the solar system. Look at these other objects here, electromagnetic vehicles. Look at the black and white signature. And these are green, the green objects. But I mean, it's look, the pair of eyes that I was talking about, right there. It looks just like a reptilian entity. The face right there. Look. The eyes, the head, the mouth. But it's like a projection or a structure of both. You can see all the tubes that go diagonal, vertical, horizontal, and there are millions and trillions of them. Down here is a big eye right there, next to the vehicle. It's so strange, my God. It's like looking at something. I mean, that's what that Air Force retired general said before he was murdered, that the truth was stranger than fiction. That what these people know or they have gathered from entities that have crashed and some have been shut down, it's just beyond belief. Look what this vehicle looked like in the front.